Question on hyperbola is find the equation of hyperbola. Refer its principal axis as axis of coordinates. The distance between the foci is 16 and E equals to root 2. Equation of hyperbola refer its principal axis as axis of coordinates. Means the conjugate axis and transverse axis are as y-axis and x-axis, or we can say transverse axis is along x-axis and conjugate axis is along y-axis. Means hyperbola is in standard form. X-axis, y-axis, center C, foci S, S dash, and these are directrices. So axis of hyperbola referred its principal axis as axis of coordinates, means conjugate axis is on y-axis and transverse axis is on x-axis. So distance between two foci, the distance between the foci is 16. Distance between these two foci is 2AE, which is 16. Coordinates of foci, this foci be AE comma 0 and this foci be minus AE comma 0. So distance from center to this focus is AE and from this center to this focus is AE. So total distance from foci to foci is 2AE. So 2AE is given as 16 and value of E is root 2. So substitute this value of E into this equation, we get 2A into root 2 equals to 16, or A equals to 8 upon root 2 dividing 16 by 2, or 4 root 2. Value of A, E is known, and now find value of B. B square equals to A square, E square minus 1, A square will be 16 to the 32, E square 2 minus 1, or we get 32, value of B square. And equation of this kind hyperbola be x square upon A square minus y square upon B square equals to 1. Substituting values of A and B, x square upon A square 32 minus y square upon B square is again 32 equals to 1, or we can say x square minus y square equals to 32 is standard equation of hyperbola. This is solution of this question.